So to see how fast numpy really is, what we are going to do is we are first going to create a numpy array with the 1 row and 1000 columns. We will use the timeit command to identify how much time it takes to do some operation on this numpy array. Okay, so what the operation that I am doing is, in this 1 row 10,000 column numpy array, I am going to add 1 to each and every element of this numpy array. Okay, as you can see, it took 130 microsecond per loop. Okay, now if we do the same kind of operation in pure Python, so I have generated a iterator with 100,000 elements in it. Okay, and then I am adding 1 to each and every element, and this time it took 10.9 millisecond. Okay, so almost this numpy array is around 100 times faster than the pure Python implementation.